All right, we got swamps, we got Ed, we got a little tree trunk with a little cesspool underneath it. Back on the trails. TIM. My bike's making noises. I don't know what that's all about. Shift gears. I did it. I still hear it. It's all right. We'll get through it. We always do. Here's Ed coming up on a swamp over here. Mosquito fuck pit. Oh my god, a bridge. Oh my god. Made it. Oh my god, what was that? A snake! Dude, a snake! A snake! Come on. A snake. It's right there. It's right there.
Oh wait, don't go. Don't go.
It's a fucking snake, dude. Grab it.
Oh, you bastard.
Oh, get out of the water, Ed.
Fucker.
It's a fucking snake, dude.
That's a good one, too.
Hell yeah. Go over the bridge. Go over the bridge. Oh, there it goes.
I'm going to direct it toward you.
Don't do that. I'm not touching it.
I want to catch it.
Yeah, hell yeah. Oh, he's got it. He's gonna get it. Catching a fucking snake, dude.
Trying to.